Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two drones on our comparison table, the ATTOP Mini Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. The ATTOP Mini Drone comes in at just $49, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get into drone flying. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera is priced at $199, offering advanced features at a higher price point. The ATTOP Mini Drone allows you to take HD pictures and videos. You can even connect your phone to the drone and enjoy a live video feed, giving you a first-person view experience. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera boasts a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, providing a broader shooting range and breathtaking aerial views. The ATTOP Mini Drone offers multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. You can even draw a flight path on your smartphone, and the drone will follow it accordingly. It also has 3 control modes: remote control, app control, and even voice control. The Brushless Motor Drone with camera also offers a wide range of functions, including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and more. It even has 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. The ATTOP Mini Drone can fly for approximately 5 to 6 minutes on a full charge, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries, providing a flight time of up to 40 minutes. This makes the Brushless Motor Drone a great choice for longer flights and capturing more footage. The ATTOP Mini Drone is designed for kids and beginners, featuring one key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. It's easy to control and operate, making it a great option for those new to drone flying. The Brushless Motor Drone with camera also offers stability with its brushless motors and altitude hold system. It comes with a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service, ensuring you have all the support you need. And there you have it, a comparison between the ATTOP Mini Drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both drones have their unique features and cater to different needs. If you're on a budget and looking for a beginner-friendly option, the ATTOP Mini Drone might be the right choice for you. However, if you're seeking advanced camera capabilities and longer flight times, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera could be the perfect fit. Remember to evaluate your needs and preferences before making a decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.